In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store constantly giving you an error. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to reset your Microsoft Store app. Navigate here at the button search bar, type for Store, and then a best match has been seen, navigate on it, make a right click, and then go with app settings. So from here, please scroll down, then click for reset and repair. Okay? Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, restart the PC and check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. Then please navigate to the button search bar. This time, type for CMD. So you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue running this window. And please copy this one by one. First is to SFC scan. This will do system scanning. Proceed to the second that once you are done with the first. And then proceed to the scanning the health. And then last one is the restoring the health for your PC. Once you are done with this, restart your computer as well. And then your problem will be fixed. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.